You see them just kind of floating around now, like these big icy patches.
Which could prove to be a problem.
Yeah.
So now, you're going to throw, more rain on top of it. You got the melting snow as it is. And then you catch an ice jam here or there, especially some of the smaller rivers. It backs up pretty quickly because the snow will melt quicker than the ice will. That's going to stick around a little bit longer. But let me get you guys outside here in New York City. There's your picture. You can see that low deck of clouds overhead. We are dealing with some fog, some rain as well. 60 degrees as of right now. As far as visibility out there, some folks are doing better than others. The tough spot's kind of patchy out there. Bedford, 1/10 of a mile visibility for you. Woodmere, 1/10 of a mile. Stanford, 3/10 of a mile. Pretty tough go right now out on Long Island. Consequently, this is what's causing the delays at some of the area airports. Would be the fog situation that we're dealing with, and you deal with that right through the overnight hours. Dense fog advisory until 5 a.m. for Staten Island, Brooklyn, Queens, Nassau County, Suffolk County, Fairfield County as well. Hey, it's going to make the driving that much more difficult, and then tomorrow's driving could at times be off the charts difficult. Now, it's going to all depend on the temperature profile, but check this out. We have a chance to be 60 degrees at 2 o'clock in the morning. I mean, right now, we're 60 degrees. Why would we still be 60 degrees at 2 a.m.? Because before the front actually makes its pass, you get that final burst, almost a more intense southwesterly flow. Temperatures could go up. I just saw that happen in Albany over the last hour. Temperatures will drop so fast around here. You're going to notice an incredible difference on Saturday. Consequently, a flash freeze could possibly equal some dangerous roads out there. That would be for your day on Saturday during the overnight hours, even tonight. Next snow chance looks to be Tuesday or so, but let's focus on the situation we have currently out there. Rain is falling. It's now the second batch making its push into western Jersey. We still have some pretty decent bouts of rain out around the Twin Forks. You got to look at the big picture, though, that there's more to come. You'll deal with this right through the nighttime hours into the morning tomorrow. Not so much after that. After that, it's going to be all about the temperatures dropping behind this system. So let's show you how this all times out. Here we are, 9 p.m., pretty decent rain bouts throughout the area. It's kind of filled in a little bit more. Right now, New York City's catching a little bit of a break. It's coming back to the area. Then you get into the overnight hours. Here you are, 3:30. Could be some batches of very heavy rain. And notice this pink, okay? That's the sleet and freezing rain. Getting oh so close to the city, but, already causing some problems out there north and west. Maybe even a couple little snow showers for a few people there. If you watch what happens after that, the snow never actually, the rain and the sleet, the sleet and the ice never actually makes a true push through the city. But again, it doesn't have to be snowing or sleeting in the city or even on Long Island to make the driving treacherous, because then it's all about the temperature profile, and we will watch those temperatures drop. Here we go. All right, there's 62 at 1 a.m. in the city. Look at this. You're 21 at 7 a.m. Still 40 degrees, though, in the city. Then you drop down below the freezing mark around lunchtime, and wet roadways freeze. But notice, that point in time, basically everybody's at the freezing mark or below. Everybody could be dealing with some tough driving out there. All right, let's get you right to the extended forecast. You can see the numbers out there. And do they bounce around, or are they all just going down and staying down? Well, next week looks to be a much colder week than what we've been having here as of late. So you're 63 for your day today. For Saturday, 47. That's dropping during the day. Okay, it's going to feel like you're below freezing in the afternoon hours on Saturday. You'll be done with the system. It's gone, but then you're 28 on Sunday. Martin Luther King Day, you're starting off at 16 up to 28 again for a high temperature, and then we keep you basically at the freezing mark or so all next week.
16.
Wow, that's 63 really just, I mean...
It jumps out at you, doesn't it?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but I know you like that cold stuff you had last week, so we'll bring it back for you.
Sure.
Thanks, Lon.